Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a convenient feature that you might not be using to its full potential, Apple CarPlay. If you have an iPhone and a car with a compatible infotainment system, then this is for you. First, let's talk about what CarPlay is. It's a smarter, safer way to use your iPhone while you're driving. It takes the things you want to do with your iPhone while driving and puts them right on your car's built-in display. Now, how do you set it up? It's simple. First, start your car. Then, on your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay. Here, you can select your car. Remember, some cars might require you to select CarPlay from the built-in display in your car.
Next, you'll want to connect your iPhone to your car. In most cases, you can do this by plugging your phone into the USB port in your car with a lightning cable. However, some cars support wireless CarPlay, in which case you can connect using Bluetooth.
Once connected, CarPlay should automatically launch. If it doesn't, simply select CarPlay on your car's display. And there you have it. You're now ready to use CarPlay to navigate, take calls, send and receive messages, and listen to music, all while keeping your focus on the road.
Remember, safety is paramount. While CarPlay is designed to help you stay connected while driving, it's important to avoid distractions and always keep your eyes on the road. Enjoy your drive and make the most of Apple CarPlay.